Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox clothes. First, ensure you have a Roblox Premium subscription, which is essential for uploading and selling your creations. Next, download the official clothing templates directly from the Roblox Developer Hub. These templates are crucial guides for your designs. Finally, open your chosen graphic design software, such as Photoshop or GIMP, and load the template to begin your creative process. This foundational step sets the stage for all your future designs. When designing, it's vital to understand the template's layout. Each section corresponds to a specific part of the Roblox avatar, like the torso or limbs. Utilize layers in your design software to add intricate details, such as unique textures, custom logos, and realistic shading, giving your clothes depth. Always double-check that your creations comply with Roblox's content guidelines to ensure a smooth upload process and prevent any moderation issues. Once your design is complete, save it as a PNG file with a transparent background. This is crucial for proper display. Head over to the Create section on the Roblox website and choose whether you're uploading a shirt, pants, or a t-shirt. Upload your meticulously crafted image, then give your item a catchy name and a detailed description. Finally, set a fair price in Robux, typically between 5 and 1,000 Robux, for players to purchase your creation. To truly succeed, consistently create new and unique designs to keep your store exciting and attract more buyers. Don't forget to promote your clothing across various social media platforms and within relevant Roblox groups to significantly expand your reach. Actively engage with the Roblox community, listen to their feedback, and use it to refine and improve your designs. This iterative process is key to building a loyal customer base and achieving long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.